Hi friends, Lisa Curry with Green Hook Studio here. This is just a quick video to show you how I needle sculpt the helmet of my Mandalorian doll. The pattern is available on my website, greenhookstudio.com. First, I close the top of the head, stitching the last 6 stitches together and cinching them. I go through this in detail in my quick tips video. For the sculpting part, I thread the tail down through the top I just closed to finish it and bring it out on the side of the helmet front just below the black horizontal stripe. Then I reinsert my needle 1 stitch below or 1 row below and pull it through to the opposite side of the helmet. I pull on the tail a little between each one to pull it tight and create the angled shape of the helmet front. I repeat this 3 total times, moving down a row and forward a stitch toward the black line in the center each time. If you do pull it a little bit too tight, you can pop it back out a little bit with your needle before doing the next stitch. The tighter you pull, the more pinched the front of the helmet will be. And now you can see it's no longer round. It has the angle of the Mandalorian helmet. And then to finish, you can just reinsert your needle through the back and do a couple stitches back and forth to hide the tail. And there you go. Mandalorian helmet.